it's time for the fun part. I don't know about you, but as an artist, my favorite part is taking off these foils, figuring out what I have to work with, and getting to do the fun part, which is the fireball red. I love drama, and I do know that when we're behind the chair, majority of the time, we do a lot of commercial work, which is a lot of highlights, baby lights, balayage. So anytime I get an opportunity like this to play with fun color and high fashion, I go for it. So not only is the client very excited at this point, but I'm very excited and can't wait to reveal the Pulp Riot Fireball Vibrant Gorgeous head of hair. Okay, so now just so everyone knows that there is a method to the madness, you need to still treat this as a proper application. You want to section it down the middle. I necessarily don't go into 4 sections, but 4 sections would be safe, so you do 1 section at a time. Starting at the roots, I go through the entire head, get the roots touched up all over, and you are applying it efficiently, evenly, and you can work around the hair in a very speedy way. And the quicker that you get it all on together, the quicker it processes together. And with Pulp Riot Fireball, you do not need to add any additive to it. It's straight out of the tube onto the hair. It's more of a hair staining. It's not hair color, even though it is coloring the hair. This is a temporary color. This is a type of client I explain very clearly that you will need to be in often to keep it fresh. We're gonna pre-book, and this is a good time to talk to your client when you're doing the consultation on what it's gonna take to maintain your hair color for the future. And this is a conversation that you need to have with your clients before they commit, so they know the maintenance that they're in for. And again, when you're applying, try to be neat and tidy because it is a stain. It will stain your hands, so put gloves on. We're now going into the step where we get to take it off and reveal the beautiful, beautiful color. It will stain your client's skin, so be very clean around the hairline. And now we're getting into the blow dry, and I power dry first. A lot of times you cannot really necessarily style the hair until it's at a damp stage. And then you can use a flat brush, a paddle brush, a Denman brush, a round brush, whatever it takes to style it. And in this case, my client likes a kicky, flicky, textured, where the hair is movable and tousled. And so that's pretty much the direction that I take it with the blow dryer, is left to right, up and down. I do a wrap blow dry where you're wrapping the shape of the head, and in the front I keep the fringe area a little flatter and just kick it on the ends. A little texture product put in, and from there she gets to be cute and sassy.